In this video, I'll show you offline mode. Control your home even without internet. Your smart home shouldn't stop working just because the internet is down. With offline mode, you can control all your switches directly over local Wi-Fi, even during broadband outages. No delays, no blank screens. Your home stays fully responsive as long as your router is on. Now, I'll show you how to set up it. Open the Home Automation app, go to Devices page, tap on the Offline Mode button, then tap OK to activate it. That's it. Your home is now ready to work even without internet. No internet, no problem. Your home stays in your control. Thank you.